My brother-in-law and I drove down to Capri State Park. We were just hanging out, and since it was a really beautiful we thought, hey, there was a lot of fishing boats that was going out, so we hopped onto one of them. Capri Princess. They leave at 7 o'clock. They were doing bottom fishing, so we got into them. Now they gave us clam to catch the fish, as you see in the picture, and then we started catching fish. It was basically an epic night. As you will see, I ended up catching 3 buckets of fish. I usually use a very light rod, but in this case I ended up using the boat's rod, which was very heavy, because my hand was hurting from pulling the fish one after another. It was basically a drop and pick up. That's all it was. There were some cocktail booths among all the porgies, so I kept about 2 cocktails because they actually taste pretty decent. It was just one of those nights where there was a full moon. There was actually a hammerhead shark trying to chase the baits. There was also squids on top of the water. So it was just one of those great nights. Now, as you see there, the line is going down, and it's not going to even take 5 seconds for me to pull up a fish right there, because it just bites right away. It was very instant bite. We were getting tangled here and there with the guys next to us, but it wasn't as bad.
Stacked all night, thousands. Oh, sorry, man.
Go. All right, what's up, my hey, Ma? What's up?
It was an epic night. We all limited out 45 fish per person. I filleted the fish and took it home. They could have done something better where the clam could have been a little better. Those clams were almost as bad as it can get. The mates were really nice. They helped me out. They were actually helping other people as well. The boat itself was pretty nice as well. I would like to thank you for watching my video, and I also want to mention I ended up making some fish taco when I got home. It's pretty easy to make. Just fry the fish and put it in a taco shell. Thank you again.